Hey guys, this is Martyna again. Welcome to my channel, and today I am so excited to share with you my finished ephemera holders. I will show you the flip through of these, and I'm so happy with these. They are so happy and joyful and flowery and spring-like, so I hope you guys will like them. And first let me give you some specifics. So these are going to go to my Etsy shop this Sunday, and for the exact date and time, please see the description box. Everything will be there, along with the time zone. So they are a little smaller than the previous ones that I did, but I love the size. They really are like they sit good in your hands, and these are the exact size of my ephemera holder that I use and that you guys see quite often on my channel. So they are A5, and in inches they are, let me take a look at my notes, about 8.25 by 6. They also have a 4cm spine, which is about 1.75 inches, 4 signatures, 16 pages front and back, and each page has 2 pockets. They are very durable. I will show you them in a moment. And then there are also bigger pockets on the front and back cover. So what else? They are all fabric covered with some collage on the front. They have metal corners to protect the corners. All of them have some kind of lace on the spine and some kind of a closure. So these are seam binding, chiffon ribbons, and sari silk closures. So, oh, one more thing, the collages on the front covers, they are made with my Spring Garden digital kit, which is now available in my Etsy shop. If you guys are interested, these cards are from the add-on kit, so you can check them out there. And we will be making a little project with the Spring Garden kit, probably starting on Monday. But without further ado, let me move these aside, and I will tell you kind of the names of these. I didn't name them exactly, but I will tell them what names. Oops, sorry, my camera is so crooked. I will tell you the names that I am going to list them by, so you can easily find them on Sunday in my store. So this one is going to be called Yellow, and let me show you the close-up. So this is what it looks like. All of them have some 3D flowers here, of course, my gold leaf trim, and the card, like I said, is from my Spring Garden kit. Then the lace on the spine, and the fabric just so happy in spring. And yeah, and this one has a chiffon ribbon in this gorgeous turquoisey color. Okay, so all of those have flowers, fabric flowers as tabs this time, and the pockets are made from laminator sheets, and they are extremely durable. Like, I tried to tear them and I was not able to, so they are super durable, and also they look nice and they feel so nice, and they make this nice sound. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but they do make a nice sound, and they are pretty much transparent. So as you can see here, my light is kind of glaring, but you can kind of see that you see the page underneath. So I've used some beautiful flower papers, flower scrapbooking papers, and also some gorgeous book pages, vintage book pages, to create the pages. So here it is. Here's the yellow. A lot of soft tones, warm tones in this one, and I love those flowers. There's a nice gold foil page here. I love this page so much with all the tulips and irises. Okay, so this is the yellow. Then this one I'm going to call Teal, and here is the close-up of the cover. So again, the card is from my spring garden kit, some 3D mulberry paper flowers, my gold leaf trim. I did add some gold gilding here. Then there's the delicate lace on the spine for signatures, and this beautiful fabric. And again, chiffon ribbon as a closure on this one. And it's much longer than needed, so you can bulk those up and you will still be able to close them comfortably. Okay, so this is teal, and I've used different flowers for this one. Okay, so very soft pastel colors in this. I love this paper with the blue succulents. A lot of blue, some soft pink as well, but mostly blue, I would say. And this, oh, look guys, look at this paper. I love it. This has like rose gold foil. I love it so much. It made me really, really happy to create those, to work with all of those beautiful papers and colors. So here is the back. Okay, so this was the teal one. Now this one is going to be called Pink Daisy. So again, let me give you a close-up of the front here. So the same thing, some gold lace on the spine, very delicate, and a beautiful daisy fabric. And this one is closed with sari silk, beautifully dyed in this like soft blush pink color. Okay, and I really wanted to make them very like spring-like, so I hope I managed it. And I really love how these pockets look. I'm definitely going to be making my pockets with these laminating sheets from now on, because they are both durable and they really, really look nice. This is so pretty, such a pretty paper, I think. Gorgeous. I love these book pages, so cute. And so all the book pages, so this was Pink Daisy. All the book pages come from a vintage garden flowers book. Okay, so this one is called Blue Daisy. And here is the front of it. So we have some beautiful flowers, some of these embellishments, gold leaf trim, lace on the spine and the fabric. And this one is tied with this blush pink seam binding, crinkly seam binding. I love touching it. It's just very very nice to just play with, I guess. So this one looks like this, and it has again some blue tones, some more blue tones, but also soft pinks, which I think go together really, really well. Hope you guys can see. Sorry for the glare. Maybe I will hold it a bit like this for you, so you can see. This paper is stunning. I love it so much. And this book page is gorgeous. And there are some foil dots here on this one. Okay, and this was the Blue Daisy. Now this is going to be listed as pink, and let me show you the close-up, because the fabric here is stunning. So we have, first of all, some irises on the front. I love them, and they are again from my spring garden kit. Then we have lace on the spine and this exquisite fabric with those watercolor florals. And this one is This one is tied with this like powder pink or baby pink crinkly seam binding, so it's really pretty. And I think in terms of colors this might be my favorite, this or the teal one, but I'm going to hold it up like this so you guys can see without the glare all the beautiful book pages and patterned paper. This one is foiled, and the foil again. I love these book pages. Again, some rose gold dots, foiled dots. Then we have beautiful book pages. I love them. I have to look for this book. Again, this is Oxford Book of Garden Flowers. All of these pages are from this book. And I mean, this paper is just to die for. I love it so much. Okay, so this is called Pink. And the last one is called Green, and I love this one. It's a bit different because it has like a bit more vibrant colors instead of pastels, but I love it so much. And it has those like really vibrant greens that you see in spring, you know, when the grass is just so fresh. And so here's what it looks like, the lace on the spine and the fabric. And this one is tied with seam binding, and it's dyed in this gorgeous fresh green color. Okay, so definitely more warm tones in this one. And this is a foiled paper again, so the glare, I know you can see it, but at least it shows the gold foil. Book pages, these watercolor florals are so pretty. All the pattern papers that I use come from various paper stacks by Die Cuts with the View, so it's one of my favorite brands of scrapbooking paper when it comes to beautiful florals. I love these pansies. Whoa, love them. This is a gorgeous paper, and it matches the fabric on the cover perfectly, like it was made for it. Okay, here is this one. And this is the end. So this was Green. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this little quick flip through. I really had so much fun creating these ephemera holders. I really do have so much fun working with or creating ephemera holders. I definitely want to make more, but for now these 6 are going to go to my Etsy shop on Sunday. And again, please check the description box for the exact date and time when they will be up. And yeah, I wish you guys a wonderful Friday, and I will speak to you very soon. Bye, guys.